Alright, so in today's video we're going to be looking at how to reduce the gain on yet another Bluetooth adapter. So this model is quite popular now and has been for the past, judging by the dust here, more than a year. So I got two of these. These have the CSR 8675 inside, which is a native Bluetooth 5.0 chip. And I got some alcohol on my nail, which will probably fall off. That's super great. Anyway, and so these are very nice. These are extremely compact. They have a very nice button layout. So play, pause, next, previous, plus, minus. That's all very nice. They also act as a transmitter, right? So these will connect to the nearest device that's in pairing mode and then will beam whatever is on the jack to that. So that's extremely nice. You can clip it on and use it as an iPod shuffle, but with your phones, very nice. However, similar to the previous video I've done on this topic, the Chinese somehow really like their gain. Like if you can have like more, they somehow go for it, no matter what, right? So anyway, this is the amplifier chip. So first of all, let's just get some context going. This would be the amplifier chip, so it's a PAM-P. The P doesn't show super well, but it's a P8908. It's a very nice chip. Actually, I don't know why I said that. Like, I don't think I like it. Like, I don't think it sounds that well. The Bluetooth boards I normally use, they use a different chip from Texas Instruments. What is this? So it's just some TPA something something. You can look it up, 6132 or some shit like that. I don't remember. This one sounds epic. This one actually doesn't sound that well, to be honest. And the way they had it set up is it has, let's first check the pin out. Right, so it has these two pins, which are G0, G1. G stands for gain, and you can wire these up in 4 different combinations, either high or low. And they will enable different gains, right, for this amp. And what does it do max? 25 milliwatts. So anyway, it's amply powerful. Pretty nice, right? Power on, power off. So it does do 0 cutoff and crap, although I don't know. At power off, anyway. So, right, I would have really preferred having these high and low, but I mean, this is more specific, so yeah. The way they had it set up was G0 was low and G1 was high, so they didn't go for the highest decibels, but they did go pretty high, right? There's 2 ways you can go about this. So this has 2 0-ohm links, which are this one and this one, right? Which you can see I've popped off here, but this would also have a 0-ohm link. So if you pop this 0-ohm link off, it'll go to minus 3 dB. Minus 6 dB actually, holy shit. All right, so it'll go to minus 6 dB. If you want to go to 0 though, which is what I wanted to do, you have to pop this resistor off, right, this 0-ohm link right here, and link this point, which is the power supply, to this point, which is G0. So exactly how I'm holding this thing, you have to provide a 0-ohm link, which I have done. So at the moment, I actually have one which is set to minus 6 dB. You can see this 0-ohm link at the top. This one here is still there, and the bottom one I've just, and again, given that you will probably not want to remove power to this, you really should get a pair of snips and just crush the resistor there. There's really no harm in doing that, and it's a lot safer than coming in with a soldering iron, even if it's a fine tip one. All right, so this one is minus 6 dB. I'll actually have to label this. And this one is 0 dB, and you can actually hear the difference. It is noticeably louder. And so it has this clusterfuck going on over there, which is not really pretty, and a lot of hairs from the cotton swab I've used. But anyway. And so this is how you get like 0 dB. And this is how you get -6. All right, apart from that, yeah, as a technique, I would suggest just snipping off a piece of stranded wire. All right, ejecting, right, pulling out one wire, sharply bending it, right, and then you go in there. You go in there with this, you solder it down, and then you cut it. And so this is how I've done it. Yeah, your mileage may vary. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Let me know if you guys have ever done this to your stuff, because I want to know.
What? Am I that far away from other people's sense of taste? Am I that fussy? Don't answer that in the comments down below.
I'm leading a more painful life having to do this kind of crap. Like, these have not been in use for 1 to 2 years because I haven't gotten around to checking the data sheet and all this shit. But yeah, it really sounded bad. Like, I don't know. All right. Peace.